Hello guys, welcome to Cooking with the Ley Sisters. Today's video will be a very special one because I will show you how to make a basic recipe that you can meal prep on Sunday and turn into 3 delicious dishes that you can enjoy throughout the week. Minced beef, which is a very basic recipe you can easily meal prep on Sundays, and how to turn that minced beef into 3 different dishes that you can enjoy throughout the week. The ingredients that you will need to make the minced beef are 1 pound of ground beef. I am using 85-15, which has 85% of lean meat and 15% fat. Next, you'll need 1 sliced onion. You'll also need some jalapeno, minced garlic, ginger, soy sauce, oyster sauce. Let's get cooking. In a pan with some oil, I'm using avocado oil in this case. Start cooking your ginger, minced garlic, and jalapeno. You're gonna cook it for about a minute. And you're gonna throw in your sliced onion. And you're gonna cook until the onion starts to soften up and becomes translucent. At this point, you're gonna add your ground beef, and you can use your spatula or your spoon to break it up so it can start to cook evenly. Once the meat is no longer pink, you add the soy sauce and the oyster sauce combination, and you stir thoroughly to make sure that the sauce is well incorporated into the meat. At this time, you can season with salt and pepper to taste. Meal 1 is just simply minced beef with rice. This dish is very nostalgic as we used to eat it in high school and college while studying for exams. All you'll need is some cooked white rice, spoon in some of the minced beef, and finish it off with some green onion and toasted sesame seeds. For meal 2 is a minced beef in lettuce wrap. This is a low-carb option. This dish is inspired by the appetizer at P.F. Chang's. You'll just need some romaine lettuce. You spoon a good portion of the minced beef, and at this time you can just eat it as is, or you can add some extra toppings. In this case, we're adding some kimchi for extra crunch and spice. For meal 3, we're making a stir fry. You'll need some cauliflower, celery, carrots, cayenne pepper, curry powder, black pepper, and green onion. And the minced beef. In a pan with some oil, I'm using sesame oil. Start cooking the minced garlic, celery, and carrots. Once the colors of the veggies are vibrant, add in your cauliflower and mix. Next, you will add your spices, the curry powder, cayenne pepper, and black pepper. And add some water to loosen up the spices. Once the spices are thoroughly mixed in, add some soy sauce. Mix well to incorporate the soy sauce to all the veggies, and add the minced beef to bring it all together. Once all the ingredients are in, you just cover for a few minutes to let the veggies soften. You'll finish off the dish by adding some green onion and mixing it together. I hope you liked the 3 meal ideas I showed you. If you have any additional ideas, please share them in the comments and let me know if you would like to try this dish. And if you do, tag me on Instagram so I can see all your creations. Thank you for watching. Bye!